Today I want to introduce the new NOVA Neptune Lathe Series. This machine is a true gem of innovation. NOVA has really put their thinking caps on with this one. And let me show you what I mean.
To describe Neptune, NOVA uses the slogan, "Where novices thrive and experts excel." And I can tell you, it's pretty clever what their engineers did here. No matter if you are a beginner in the woodturning field or a seasoned woodturner, this is the only lathe any woodturner ever needs. The NOVA Neptune is your woodworking partner for life. The special thing about Neptune is that NOVA basically came up with a new category of lathe that comes with all the perks and power a seasoned woodturner would require, but at a price that even crafters new to the hobby would be willing to pay. The Neptune is available as a benchtop version, perfect for novices and for workshops that are a little restricted in their space availability. It still has the power of a big expert lathe and has a range of accessories available to transform it to suit your big projects.
Or you can go big straight away and purchase the NOVA Neptune MAX, which comes with all the bells and whistles any professional woodturner could ever ask for. Now, before we look at the extraordinary features that set this lathe apart from anything else that's available on the market, let me give you the rundown on the specs.
At the heart of the Neptune series is its robust cast iron headstock. This headstock not only swivels, but also slides along the length of the bed, providing unparalleled versatility, ergonomics, and convenience for your woodturning projects. With a staggering 15 inches of center height, the Neptune allows you to work on larger projects with ease. And speaking of projects, the Neptune offers you two between center options: 18 inches or 552 millimeters with the Neptune Benchtop, and an extended 28 inches or 551 millimeters with the Neptune MAX, giving you the flexibility you need for a wide range of turning tasks. Craftsmen who demand outboard turning capabilities will appreciate Neptune's generous 20-inch capacity when paired with the outrigger accessory. The single-piece cast iron bed boasts a substantial width of 5.3 inches. Providing exceptional stability and support for your turning endeavors. Experience wood turning like never before, as the Neptune lathe becomes an extension of your unique turning style. Unlike any other lathe, the Neptune is designed to mold to your preferences, making every turn an absolute breeze. With its innovative symmetrical headstock housing the embedded motor, the Neptune achieves an unparalleled balance that adapts to any turning position effortlessly. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional lathes and embrace the freedom and joy of turning with the Neptune lathe, where your comfort and craftsmanship takes center stage. The Neptune comes equipped with a 1¼ inch or M33 spindle, offering compatibility with a variety of accessories. Powering the Neptune is a bolt-on 1.5 horsepower Striatech DVR direct drive motor, delivering reliable and efficient performance. The variable speed features let you dial in your turning speed anywhere from 100 to an impressive 4,000 RPM. For intricate work and finishing touches, NOVA's slow drying mode sets the speed to a gentle 50 RPM. Your safety is paramount. The NOVA Neptune lathe is equipped with an auto braking function, swiftly and smoothly stopping the lathe when needed. We already talked about Neptune's intuitive smart motor and the impressive speed range from 100 to 4,000 RPM, all at your fingertips. But it gets better. Say goodbye to belt changes as you seamlessly adjust the speed with a simple turn of a dial. Control the pace of acceleration with speed ramp settings, allowing you to adapt to your project's demands. Adaptive torque technology continuously monitors spindle position, making micro-adjustments up to 24,000 times per minute for the perfect cut. Fine, roughing, or out of balance, the Neptune guides you with tailored speed adjustments for your specific task. Your favorite speeds are just a button away. Set and recall up to 4 favorite speeds with ease. Enhance your turning experience with accessories like the outrigger, bed extension, and workbench mounts. Plus, remember the benchtop model that I talked about? NOVA offers an optional stand, perfect for smaller workshops. All this innovation comes with an added value. NOVA stands behind its craftsmanship and is including their unmatched 10-year warranty on the motor and 5 years on electronics. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the remarkable features of the NOVA Neptune series. I trust I've piqued your curiosity about this woodworking marvel. As they say, the proof is in the turning. So why not give it a try? Embrace innovation, experience precision, and discover the Neptune difference today. The NOVA Neptune Lathe Series, where tradition meets tech precision. Elevate your turning experience and create with confidence.